So today we brought together leaders around all our specialties for the purpose of strategizing around our U.S. News and World Report rankings with the goal to elevate Tampa General in those rankings across the board.
All layers, non-clinical, clinical, administrative, medical directors, just a think tank for everyone to come together and collaborate.
It was great to have everybody in the same room because the collaboration, the collective learnings that were shared not only allowed for action plans on what we can do next, it also dispels misconceptions about things like, well, I can't impact that. Everyone came together, had a shared understanding, and moved forward with, okay, this is how we all can influence improvement of rankings.
I think one of the things that's unique about TGH is that when they come together for a common goal, everybody is engaged, there's equity of voice, and everybody has a level of energy that they bring to the table that's really contagious. So I think one of the things that was exciting about today's workshop is that we left with some very tangible goals and strategic initiatives, and really a timeline around where's the feasibility of each strategic initiative and what's the impact level that we think it's going to bring.
Ultimately, we do this like we do everything at Tampa General, really for our team members and our patients, putting them first. Bringing everybody together to do it in one setting, we came away with tons of shared opportunities and shared knowledge, and really recognize that we can be much more if we work as a group and across all of the programs as opposed to in individual silos.
It was just really great to see them having these discussions that mean so much to them and really learning a lot about the data. There's a huge data focus that they all want to have that they don't really get to see. So it was really cool getting to see kind of how they're processing the data that they're getting, kind of learning about the new statistics and how it can affect their service line, and then really getting to think about what action items they can really take.
EX3 took it to a whole nother level in terms of organizing the day, how to keep things engaging and fun, how to keep the conversation moving. Several people came up to me and said, this is like the best meeting ever. I said, why? Just because it's engaging? And they said, no, because we're getting concrete action plans that we wouldn't be able to do without all these people in the room. It's specific, it's actionable, we know what we want to do next. It was great.